Hello dear students, this is assignment number 5 of SST and today we will start new chapter. So please come to page number 60. The name of the chapter is People Who Help Us. There are many people who play an important role in our lives. Without their help, life would be really difficult. So there are some people who are very important in our lives and without their help, our life can be really very difficult. Let us learn about some such people. The teacher. After our parents, it is our teachers who are very important to us. They teach us how to read, write, to paint, sing and dance. So what does a teacher teach us? They teach us how to read and write, how to paint, how to sing and how to dance. They also teach us good habits, manners and values. Teachers take us on trips, picnics and nature walks where we can learn through fun. No wonder we celebrate 5th of September as Teachers' Day. So when do we celebrate Teachers' Day? On 5th of September. Every year to show our love and respect for our teachers. So why we celebrate it? We celebrate this day as Teachers' Day to show our love and respect for our teachers. The doctor. It is well said that health is wealth. Health is wealth. If our body is healthy, we can do all our job well. A sick man cannot do his job well. So, a healthy person can perform better at his job, but an unhealthy person or a sick person cannot perform better at his job. A doctor treats us when we are unwell. So, who treats us when we are unwell? A doctor. He protects us from many diseases. The doctor gives vaccines to the children to prevent diseases like cholera, typhoid, tetanus, whooping cough, diphtheria, tuberculosis and polio. So vaccines can prevent diseases like these diseases. The vaccines of these diseases are given in government hospitals free of cost. So where are these vaccines given? These are given at government hospitals free of cost. There are many hospitals and dispensaries in town and cities. So towns और cities में बहुत सारी hospitals और dispensaries होती हैं. Most of the big villages have primary health centers. So बड़े villages में primary health centers भी होते हैं. There are many doctors and nurses in the hospital. So एक hospital में बहुत सारे doctors and nurses भी होते हैं. In villages in other parts where dispensaries and doctors are not available, the government has arranged mobile dispensaries. So उन villages में जहाँ पे doctors और dispensaries नहीं होती, वहाँ पे mobile dispensaries government ने arrange की हुई. Mobile dispensaries मतलब वो dispensaries जो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह move कर सकें, जैसे कि This is how a mobile dispensary looks like. ऐसी एक mobile dispensary दिखती है. So the doctors and nurses go to such places in a van which carries medicines and other facilities to treat patients. So एक mobile dispensaries में medicines भी होते हैं और facilities होती हैं जो patients को ठीक करने के लिए चाहिए होती हैं. और doctors और nurses ऐसी ही van में travel करते हैं और patients को ठीक करने के लिए. Some doctors treat animals. So there are some doctors who treat animals. They are known as veterinary doctors. उनको बोलते हैं veterinary doctors. The government has set up veterinary hospitals and veterinary clinics in towns and villages. So government ने towns और villages में veterinary clinics भी open किए हैं. Next is the policeman. The policeman maintains law and order. So what is the work of a policeman? He maintains law and order. He helps people to recover their lost property and keeps the locality safe and peaceful. So what does a policeman do? He helps people to recover their lost property and helps in keeping the locality safe and peaceful. The duty of a policeman is very tough. So duty of a policeman is very tough. At fairs and festivals, he has to control the crowd. So fairs और फेस्टिवल के टाइम पे पुलिस पर्सन को क्राउड को भी कंट्रोल करना पड़ता है. Sometimes children get lost. कभी कभी फेयर्स और फेस्टिवल में चिल्ड्रन लॉस्ट हो जाते हैं. पुलिसमैन हेल्प दोज चिल्ड्रन टू फाइंड देयर पेरेंट्स. सो पुलिसमैन उनको हेल्प करते हैं. द ट्रैफिक पुलिसमैन कंट्रोल्स द ट्रैफिक ऑन द रोड एंड हेल्प्स इट टू मूव स्मूथली. सो जो ट्रैफिक पुलिस पर्सन होता है वो रोड्स पे ट्रैफिक को मेंटेन करता है. ही इंश्योर्स दैट देयर आर नो एक्सीडेंट्स एंड ट्रैफिक जैम्स. सो वो ये इस बात को पक्का करता है कि कोई भी एक्सीडेंट ना हो और ट्रैफिक जैम्स ना हो. वी शुड फॉलो ट्रैफिक रूल्स टू अवॉइड एक्सीडेंट्स. सो वी मस्ट फॉलो द ट्रैफिक रूल्स सेट अप बाय द गवर्नमेंट टू अवॉइड द एक्सीडेंट्स. Now open the assignment given to you today. The first we have is take the correct answer. So a veterinary doctor treats animals, humans or plants. Animals. A veterinary doctor treats animals. We celebrate 5th of September as Teachers' Day, Doctors' Day or Children's Day. So we celebrate 5th of September as Teachers' Day. Who delivers your letters and parcels? Fireman, postman or policeman? So a postman delivers your letters and parcels. Next is write true or false. We go to a doctor when we are unwell. So true. We go to a doctor when we feel unwell. There are many doctors and nurses in a hospital. This is true. The traffic policeman controls the traffic. This is true. We should cross the road at the zebra crossing. True. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 14th of November. This is false because we celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th of September, not on 14th of December. So this is false. Now fill in the blanks. Gautam is unwell. He should go to a hospital. So when you feel unwell, you must go to a hospital. Aman wants to buy a postcard. He should go to a post office. So to buy a postcard, you have to visit a post office. Bubbly has lost her purse. She should go to the police station. So if you lost something, you must go to the police station. Today is Monday. Elisha has a function in her school. So functions are held mostly at schools. So answer the following question. Why do you go to school? So why do you go to school? Answer is the main reason we attend school is to gain the skills and education needed to live autonomously and successfully. Teachers teach us to read, write and do many other things in the school. So we attend schools ताकि हमें स्किल्स और एजुकेशन मिल जाए जो हमें सक्सेसफुली और ऑटोनॉमसली रहने के लिए चाहिए होती हैं. Also teachers हमें क्या सिखाते हैं? Read, write and do many other things in the school. So हमें काफ़ी कुछ स्कूल में सीखने को मिलता है. So that's all for today.